Hey, this is Adam Larsen and Zach Affleck here. We're going to teach you how to add, subtract, and multiply polynomials.
So first we're going to talk about adding polynomials. Something you need to look at is the powers. So you have to add the same powers. So first we'll add the x squared. So 3x squared, 6x squared. If you add those together, that's 9x squared. Now we're going to look at just the x. So you have 2x and 5x. So that's 7x. We're going to add the 6 and the 4. If you add those together, that's 10. So we have 9x squared plus 7x plus 10.
Alright, now we have a subtraction of polynomials problem. So with this, where it's subtracting the entire second polynomial, you have to distribute the subtract sign into all of these. So really, it will be a negative x squared, a negative 4x, and a negative 2. Then you have your 3x squared minus 16x plus 1 on this side. And then you just do the same thing as you did with adding, where you combine your like terms. So you have 3x squared minus x squared. So that is equal to 2x squared. And you have your negative 16x minus 4x, which ends up being negative 20x. And you have a 1 and a negative 2, so that just equals a negative 1. There's your answer.
Okay, now we're going to talk about multiplying polynomials. So we're first going to talk to you about the term we call foiling.
And FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. So first you start with your outside term, and you multiply it over here, and you multiply this term by both of the ones in the second parentheses. So you have a 2x times a 3x, which is equal to a 6x squared, and a 2x times a 2, which is a 4x. And then inside is last, so you do your 1 last, so you multiply 1 by the 3x and a 1 by the 2. So you're going to multiply 1 by 3x, which is just 3x, and then 1 by 2, which is just 2.
Okay, so now that we have all these terms, we again just need to add the like terms to get our final answer. So we only have 1 to the x squared power, so it's just 6x squared. Now we have to add the 4x and the 3x, so that's 7x. And then we only have, then we just have the 2, so we just add the 2. And that's the final answer. So as you can see, adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials is really easy. That's it.
Thanks for watching.